Tommy Lee transferred from Tower Street.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Incarcerated dancehall artist Tommy Lee Sparta has been transferred from the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center to a St. Catherine prison after suffering injuries in a February 21st bust-up with warders. Another entertainer, Sean Stormy Campbell, who is serving a life sentence for murder, has been returned to Tower Street. Exactly 2 weeks after a prison altercation involving correctional officers, Tommy Lee, whose given name is Leroy Russell, left Tower Street about 5:30 p.m. on Monday. His lawyer, Donahue Martin, declined comment, citing the confidentiality of his client. Attempts to contact the Department of Correctional Services were unsuccessful, as calls were not answered on Monday. Tommy Lee's management, Boss Lady Music, in a message posted on the entertainer's social media platforms on Sunday, said the DJ is well and in good spirits. Meanwhile, State Minister Xavier Mean had said that the correctional officers involved in the clash with the incarcerated DJ would not be removed from duty.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!